Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, this is my June glam bag. My pick was the Beauty Creation Cosmetics palette, and then they picked the rest for me, which was the Half Cake, the Lutrice brush, the Lodi London eyeliner, and the Sand and Sky cleanser. And it's going to go on to show you a little bit slower, so let's go ahead and go through. So I hope I get the pink bag, which if I get the yellow or purple, it really doesn't matter. I just really like the pink one, but I like them all. They're pretty cute. And next is my Glam Bag Plus. As you can see, I got the Fenty and the Dr. Zendova, the Natasha Denona, the Neogen Dermatology, and the Violation Beauty. And it is worth $237. Woo! So it's going to go on to the add-ons, and I hope you guys enjoy. Please leave comments down below on what you picked on your add-ons and what your choice picks were as well. And I will leave a little bit of music for you guys to enjoy as it scrolls through. Okay? Don't forget to comment down below. I love you guys. Bye!